Hey gems, how you doing? A long time no see. So this video is sponsored by yours truly, Unice hair. So now I did a little bit of research, and if I'm correct, there's like a difference between Unice Amazon and Unice like the website. I don't know why, but there is. So this is their box, nice and blue. It says Bet You Series, Be Your Own Style. Oh, the BYO. No, it doesn't make sense. No, it doesn't make sense. So it says Bet You Series, and in the back we have all our instructions on how to wash, manage, maintain the wig. So when you receive the box, it will look like this, and inside you see that's a headband. This is the wig, another headband, and a wig cap. I know you guys know. I know you guys know how lazy I am as a wig wearer. So you should have known this was coming. Like, they gave me mad other options, but of course my lazy butt picked this one. It talked to me. So I'm gonna tell you a little bit about the hair. Okay, so this is the wig that I decided I wanted. It's the Unice Water Wave Headband Short Wig, 150% density. It's the Brazilian Remy Hair Bob Wig, glueless, non-lace front wig, virgin hair, natural color for black women. See, that was just too much. Let's start. So it's a water wave headband bob wig. The brand is Unice. The hair type is wavy. Material says human. Interesting. Natural black, and I got this in a 12-inch. Of course it's glueless. Now it says quality grade 10A hair quality, virgin. No tangles, no shedding, and I will also link their information in the bio. Yeah, it's pretty simple. I want to say I got a medium size cap, and I ordered from Amazon shipping, so I got this in like 2 days. So this is what it looking like. Combs, I feel like that's kind of, you know, pointless. And then it's just like that. Short. Wash it. It's not giving me virgin hair smell though, but we shall see. So what are these? Oh, so these are Velcro. This is how you tighten it. Okay. So plop this bad boy on. Okay, I think I should probably, ew. It probably will lay so much better if I actually okay, so I kind of, what I did in the back, because there's a comb back there, I did the headband thing and I tightened it to the best of my abilities, and then I took the comb and tuck it under the headband. So this is legit. Okay, I'm not against it, but these headbands, they could be cuter, but beggars can't be choosers. That's what I think it's supposed to. Okay, I think I need it. Oh, maybe it's this way. Okay, let's do this again. This is giving me like Haitian grandma, Haitian mom look, like every Haitian. It's not ugly, but it's just, where was this when I was being lazy the past 500 days? But I'm getting my hair done tomorrow. Like, I think I put this, I don't like that this is, I think I would rather like tuck this in a little bit. This looks so funny. And then tuck this in to kind of make it less. I feel like this is such an easy pop on and go, because I'm popping on. Yeah, so basically that's it. This is the hair. You come with 2 bands. You have your little 12-inch, and it's pretty simple. You don't have to really know how to do anything with wigs. You don't have to install it. You don't have to do none of that. It saves time. And this wig, I believe, was $77 after tax. Plop on and go. Now, longevity, I'm not too sure how long, because I can't really tell right now, but I feel like, let's see, shedding is not, and I'm pulling, it's not a lot. There's one. There's like little bits, and also I didn't wash it yet, so I feel like once I wash it, a lot of the little like loose hairs will fall out. But you should be fine after that. But I kind of like, I don't mind it, but this is not a, to me this is a go to the market, go to Walmart, go to the mall type hair. It's not a let me dress and get sexy on them hair. Cause like, I don't know, I just feel like if I want to get, I don't know, it's up to you. But personally, I feel like this is a go to the mall, go to a doctor's appointment kind of look. You could, ooh, let's see if you could put it up. You can, but this is not, I feel like, not enough hair. The back does not show because the band, let's see, I'm gonna show you. I hope y'all saw that. Let's try again. And then you could honestly do a little something, or you could probably use one of the Haitian clips. This is not terrible. So if you're interested in this wig, please check out the link in the description box below and enjoy. Bye, gems.